In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change language in Gmail. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to your Gmail inbox. If you are not already signed in, sign in to the account you want to update, and make sure you are looking at the main inbox view. Next, move to the top right corner of Gmail. You will see the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Click that gear icon to open the quick settings panel. A sidebar will appear with a few common options, but the language setting is found in the full settings area, so look near the top of that sidebar and click See All Settings. This opens the full Gmail settings page, where many of the main preferences are organized into tabs. At the top of the settings page, locate the General tab. In most cases, it is already selected by default, but if it is not, click General to make sure you are in the right place. Now on the General settings page, find the option labeled Gmail Display Language. This controls the language used for Gmail menus, buttons, and labels. Click the drop-down menu next to Gmail Display Language, and then select your preferred language from the list. Take your time here because the list can be long. Once you choose a language, the selection will stay in place, but it will not apply until you save. After selecting your language, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the settings page. This is important because Gmail only updates your settings after you confirm them. At the bottom, find and click the Save Changes button. Gmail will then reload automatically. Give it a moment to refresh, and once it finishes reloading, the interface should appear in the new language you selected. If the page takes a little longer to update, wait briefly and avoid clicking back or refreshing repeatedly, since Gmail is applying the new preference. And that is all there is to it.